Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a continuation of chapter wise revision, that is coordinate geometry. In my previous video I have completed till question number 18. So let us begin now question number 19. This all the questions are from previous year's question papers like Oswald and Zen. So let us start solving this problem. The coordinates of the points. So question number 19 is the coordinates of the points A, B, C of triangles are 6, 3, minus 3, 5 and 4, minus 2 respectively. So what they have given here, the coordinates of points A, B, C of a triangle are given. If P of xy is any point in the plane, show that area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to x plus y minus 2 upon 7. This we have to prove. Okay, so let us solve. First let us draw one triangle. Okay, they have given question number 19. It is they have told that A, B, C are the coordinates of triangle. It is mentioned in the question, so I'll write this as A, B, C. Okay, P is any point on the plane, so I'll write this is a P is a any point on the plane. So A point, it is given 6, 3, it is mentioned in the question, and B point is minus 3, 5, and C point is let me write 4 minus 2. Okay, and P is nothing but x, y. Now what they have told, show that area of triangle PBC. Let us join so that we will get triangle. Area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equals to x plus y minus 2 by 7. Okay. Given A 6, 3, B 3 minus 3, 5 and C 4 minus 2 be the points of coordinates of A, B and C. What they have told, and P is any point. P of xy is any point on the plane. Okay, any point on the plane. So now show that they have told in the question that show that x plus y minus 2, show that not this area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to x plus y minus 2 upon 7. This we have to show. Okay, let us start proving. First let us take triangle PBC. I'll take triangle PBC. To find the area of triangle PBC, first what we have to do is, we'll write P point xy, B point minus 3, 5 and C point 4 minus 2. Okay, we know that area of triangle PBC is equals to, we know, half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of triangle to solve. Now first point is x1 y1, second point x2 y2 and third point x3 y3. Okay, let me solve now. Half as it is, x1 is x, y2 value is 5 minus y3 value is minus 2 plus x2 value is minus 3 and y3 value is minus 2 minus formula as it is, y1 is y plus x3 4, y1 value is y minus y2 is nothing but 5. Now let us solve. Half as it is, x outside as it is, 5 plus 2 plus minus 3 minus 2 minus y, because we cannot add this because they are unlike terms, plus 4 into y minus 5. Okay, now let us solve. Half 7, 5 plus 2 7, 7 into x is 7x, minus plus 3 2s are 6, minus plus 3 into y 3y, plus 4 into y 4y, plus minus 4 5s are 20. Okay, so we will constant we will add, and x term as it is, y term we will see what we have to. 7x, 3y plus 4y plus 7y, then 20 minus 6 minus 14. Greater number is having negative sign, so minus 14. This is area of triangle PBC. Now let us find area of triangle ABC. So I'll write A point 6 3, B point minus 3 5, and C point 4 minus 2. Let us solve now area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half x1 y2 minus y3, formula writing is very important, plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Okay, then I'll write the points x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So now let us substitute. Half as it is, x1 value is 6, y2 value 5, minus sign as it is, y3 minus 2, plus x2 minus 3, y3 minus 2, formula minus as it is, y1 3, plus x3 value is 4, y1 3, formula minus as it is, y2 5. Okay, so now 1 by 2 will keep as it is. 6, 5 plus 2 7, minus plus 5 plus 2 7, plus minus 3, minus doing plus but sign will be minus, then 4, 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Okay, then we'll solve now. Half 6 7s are 7 6 are 42, minus plus 5 3s are 15, plus minus 4 2s are 8. Now let us see. Half 42 plus 15, 5 6 7, 4 plus 1 57, 57 minus 8, 57 minus 8 is 49 into 49. So we got area of triangle ABC as this. Now they have told to prove, show that na, what they have told I'll do here. Area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equals to PBC value, what we got, half 7x plus 7y minus 14. We have got here, see, PBC value. I'll write as it is, upon half into 49. Okay, half got cancelled. Then here we can see 7 is common. 7 I'll take common outside. 7 common means x remains, plus 7 already taken common, y remains. 7 how many is that? 14. 7 2s are 14 upon 49. 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. Area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to, what left, x plus y minus 2 and 7. This only they have told to prove, and we got answer. You can see here, area of triangle PBC is equals to area of triangle ABC should be equal to x plus y minus 2 upon 7. We got the same answer at the last, x plus y minus 2 upon 7. Okay, this complete the question number 19. Let us see now question number 20. Let me read out the question number 20. Okay, here the area of triangle is 5 square unit. Here the area of triangle is given 5 square unit. Two of its vertices are 2, 1 and 3 minus 2. Here two vertices is given 2, 1 and 3 minus 2. If the third vertex is 7 by 2 and y, find the value of y. Okay, third vertex also is given 7 by 2 y, find the value of y. Okay, let us solve this. So what is given? Area of triangle, question number 20 it is. Area of triangle is given, area of triangle ABC is equals to 5 square unit. It is given 5 square unit, and A and B, what they have given? A, first point, first 2 points are A 2, 1 will consider, and B 3 minus 2, and the third vertex is C 7 by 2 comma y. Find the value of y. We have considered this. Let we will write, because they have not given A, B, C. Now let A 2, 1, B 3 minus 2, and the third vertex is 7 by 2 y. Find the value of y they have told. Okay, we know that area of triangle ABC is equals to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula. We know this formula. So first point is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So let us substitute now. Half x1 2 into y2 minus 2 minus formula y3 y plus x2 3, y3 value is y minus y1 1 plus x3 7 by 2, y1 1 minus y2 minus 2. Okay, is equals to half 2 2 the, because they are unlike terms, so we have to multiply. 2 the 4 minus 4 plus minus minus 2 into y 2y plus 3 into y 3y, 3 1 3. Okay, plus 7 by 2 1 plus 2, half area of triangle is 5 square unit. Now I'll write 5 because value given here, area of triangle is 5. So 5, I forgot to write 5. 5 minus 4, 3y minus 2y is plus y. 3 minus 2 is 1, greater sign is plus, so plus y minus 3 plus 7, 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. Okay, now this 2 we will multiply here. 5 2 the 10, because divide will become multiply. 10 minus 4 plus y plus minus 3 as it is, plus 7 3 is 21 by 2. Okay, Now we have to solve it properly. They have told find the value of y. Now, so we'll take all the number one side and y we will keep one side. Y let it be here only, 10 as it is, minus 4 if I take this side, plus 4, minus 3 if I take this side, plus 3, plus 21 by 2 if I take this side, minus 21 by 2 is equals to y. I took all the numbers this side, y kept this side only. Okay, now y is equals to 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 minus 21 by 2. Y is equals to 17 2s are 34, 34 minus 21 upon 2. Y is equals to 34 minus 21. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 is 1. 13 by 2 we got here. Let me check the answer once. Find the value of y they have told. So here find the value of y they have told now. So the correct answer is 13 by 2. I can show you. It is a question from the question paper. Here let me show you the answer. The value of y is 13 by 2, and this is the question from 2017 previous year's papers it is. So this we got the answer. Find the value of y. Okay, now let us see the question number 21. So the question number 21 is, the vertices of triangle ABC are A minus 3 2, B minus 1 4 and C 5 minus 2. If M and N are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively, show that 2MN is equals to BC. What is the question here? The vertices of triangle ABC are A minus 3 2, B minus 1 4 and C 5 2. If M and N are the points on AB and AC, show that 2MN is equals to BC. Okay, let me draw this first. They have told here, I'll draw the triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle and M and N are the midpoint on AB and AC. Okay, show that 2MN is equals to BC. Okay, given points are, question number 21, given points or given vertices are A, first point is what? A minus 3 2, B 1 minus 1 4. We should be very careful while writing question. And C 5 2. These are the vertices of triangle they have told. M and N are the midpoints. What we have to show that? Show that they have told 2MN is equals to BC. 2 times BC is nothing but 2 times of MN. Okay, this we have to prove. Okay, let us prove now. Here we can see A, B, C. A vertices is minus 3 2, B point is minus 1 4 and C point is minus 5 2. Now we need M point and N point. We don't know M point and N point. It is told in the question M is the midpoint of AB. So let us find the point of N. A value is minus 3 2 and B value is minus 1 4. So midpoint of M is midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. We know formula, midpoint formula. Therefore, point M is equals to x1 y1 first point, x2 y2. Okay, so x1 is minus 3 plus x2 minus 1 by 2 comma y1 2 plus y2 is 4 by 2. M is equals to minus 3 minus 1 by 2 comma 6 by 2. M point we got minus 4 by 2 and 2 ones are 2 threes are 3, that is point M is equals to 2 ones are 2 twos are minus 2 minus 3. We got M point as minus 2 minus 3. Now like that way similarly N is the midpoint of AC. Now we'll write A point as minus 3 2 and C point as 5 2. I'll do directly here. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. So point N is equals to, we know midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. I'll not write again. X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so N is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2 by 2 comma 4 by 2, 2 plus 2, 2 get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we got N point is equals to 2 get cancel means 1 2. So this is the point for N. Now what they have told, show that 2mn is equals to BC. First we will find Mn, distance between Mn. Mn is equals to distance between Mn. M point will write minus 2 3, N is equals to 1 2. We should find the distance between M and N. We know the distance formula, D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First point x1 y1 x2 y2. Now which D is equals to what? Distance between M N. Root of x2 is 1 minus x1 is minus 2 whole square plus y2 is 2 minus y1 is 3 whole square. Mn is equals to root of 1 plus 2 minus minus is plus 3 square plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 square. Mn is equals to 3 square is 9 plus negative number square is positive plus 1. So Mn is equals to what we got? Root 10 we got. Similarly we will find now distance between BC. B point is what? B point B is minus 1 4 and point C is 5 2. Distance formula, D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance between B and C. B point is x1 y1, C point is x2 y2. x2 is what? 5 minus x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 2 minus y1 4 whole square. BC is equals to root of 5 minus minus is plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 whole square. BC is equals to 5 plus 1 6 square plus 2 square is 4. BC is equals to root of 6 square is 36 plus 4. BC is equals to 36 plus 4 is root 40. Now we should know how it is. Mn is equals to 2mn is equals to BC. We know that here we can see Mn is equals to here 10, what if we multiply, we'll get 10, or here what will multiply, like BC is equals to 4 tens are 40. Okay, BC is equals to 2 root 10. Yes, so here root 10. Now they have told prove that 2mn is equals to BC. Yes, here mn is root 10 and BC is equals to 2 root 10. Yes, here we got now BC 2mn, 2 get cancelled, so root 10 is equals to both equal we got, so 2mn is equals to BC we got. Here 2 get cancelled, both answer we got same now, so 2mn is equals to BC. BC is double of mn root 10, BC is 2 times of root 10. So this we proved the answer what they have told in the question, 2mn is equals to BC. So let us see the next question now. It's not required to prove here, they didn't say here to solve and show here. Directly we can see that 2 times mn is 2 times of BC. Here directly we proved. So let us see now next question number 22. Question number 22 is here. The vertices of triangle ABC are A minus 5 minus 1, B 3 minus 5 and C 5 2. Show that the area of triangle ABC is 4 times the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the side of triangle ABC. Okay, what we have to prove, we should be very careful while reading the question here. The vertices of triangle ABC are A, B and C given. Show that the area of triangle ABC is 4 times more than that of the area of triangle by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. Okay, let me draw the triangle now. Here what they have told, ABC is a triangle, given triangle it is, and the vertices is given A, B, C. What are the vertices given? A minus 5 minus 1. Okay, and B is given 3 minus 5 and C value is given 5 2. Okay, these are the vertices. Now what they have told, show that the area of triangle ABC is 4 times that of joining the midpoints of the triangle. Here we have got 3 midpoints of 3 sides, so after joining midpoints we'll get one more triangle, right? We'll name as DEF. What they have told, area of triangle ABC should be 4 times of area of triangle DEF. This they have told to prove. What they have told to prove in a question, they have told to prove area of triangle ABC should be equal to 4 times of area of triangle DEF. This we have to prove and show. Let us start solving now, but we don't know the vertex of DEF. We don't know. First we'll find the area of triangle ABC, because we know that A point is minus 5 minus 1, B point is 3 minus 5 and C point is 5 2. Let us find area of triangle ABC. We know the half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula. We know this. First point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2 and third point is x3 y3. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half x1 is minus 5, y2 minus 5 minus y3 2 plus x2 value is 3, y3 value is 2 minus y1 value is minus 1 plus x3 5, y1 minus 1, formula minus y2 minus 5. We should be very careful while writing the values. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half. Minus 5 outside only we have to write. Minus minus plus minus 7 plus 3 2 minus plus minus minus plus 2 plus 1 3. Okay, plus 5 minus 1 as it is, minus minus plus 5. Okay, now half minus minus plus 7 5s are 35 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 minus 5 is 4. 5 4s are 20. What we got? 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 5s are 20. So what we got here? 20 plus 35, 45, 55. 55 plus 9, 55. 9, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 64 by 2 we got area of triangle ABC, which can be cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Area of triangle ABC, what we got? 32 square unit we got. Unit. Okay, now DEF should be 4 times more. 4 times. Area of triangle ABC is 4 times. This ABC should be 4 times of area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides. Okay, let us see now. Okay, we don't know DEF points. We know that D is the midpoint of AB. We can write D is the midpoint of AB. So A point is minus 5 minus 1 and B point is 3 minus 5. First I'll do with the formula, remaining 2 directly I'll do. D is the midpoint of AB and A and B are the point. We know midpoint formula. Midpoint of D is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. First point x1 y1, second point x2 y2. x1 is minus 5 plus 3 by 2 comma y1 minus 1 minus 5 by 2. So D point what we'll get? Minus 2 by 2 comma minus 6 by 2. D point we got as 2 1s are 2 1s are minus 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, minus 3. D we got minus 1 minus 3. Similarly, okay, I'll just put the line here. We will find now E is the midpoint of BC. What? E is the midpoint of BC. B point what? 3 minus 5 and C point 5 2. Directly we'll find C is equals to, point C is equals to x1 y1 x2 y2. We know formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, 3 plus 5 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, minus 5 plus 2 by 2. So C is equals to 8 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. We got minus 3 by 2, correct now? Yes. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. C point we got 4 comma minus 3 by 2. Let it be C point we got. Similarly, F is the midpoint of AC. AC. A point what? Minus 5 minus 1 and C point 5 2. So F point will get x1 y1 x2 y2 minus 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 1 plus 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, f point we got 0 by 2 comma 1 by 2. F we got 0 by 2 is 0, 1 by 2 will keep as it is. D, E and F we got. D, E, I have written by mistake C here. D point minus 1 minus 3, E point 4 minus 3 by 2 and F point 0 1 by 2. We will find the area now. So here we have got D, E and F point which we have found now. So we have to find the area of this triangle now. Area of triangle DEF. First point is x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Okay, we know area of triangle formula half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So this is the formula. Now just let us substitute half as it is. X1 value is minus 1, y2 value is minus 3 by 2, minus sign as it is. Minus sign as it is. Y3 value is 1 by 2 plus x2 value is 4, y3 value is 1 by 2 minus y1 value is minus 3 plus x3 0, y1 minus 3 minus y2 is minus 3 by 2. Okay, so let us solve now. 1 by 2 as it is, minus 1, denominator same, so 2 minus minus we have to do plus, minus 4, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 plus 4 into 1 by 2 as it is, minus minus plus 3, and we know that 0 multiplied by anything is 0, so we'll write half, minus minus is plus, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, minus minus plus, plus 2 plus 4 into, will multiply, 2 threes are 6, 1 plus 2 threes are 6 upon 2 plus 0. Now half, 2 plus 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This is this bracket, so we can cancel 2 outside. 6 plus 1 7 plus 0. Okay, now half, 2 plus 7 twos are 14 plus 0 as it is. 14 plus 2 is 16 into 16. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. Area of triangle DEF, what we got? 8 square unit. Here area of triangle ABC, what we have got? 32 square unit. So it is what we have got, area of triangle ABC is 4 times of area of triangle DEF we got now. If you want we can write and see here, area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle DEF. 4 times they have told now, 4 times. 32 is equals to 4 into area of triangle DEF is 8. 32 is equals to 8 for the 32. So we got correct. LHS is equals to RHS. So area of triangle ABC is equals to 4 times of area of triangle DEF. Hence proved. Previous problem also how we got root 10. Similarly like this it is. We proved this also. So the next question is, if A, B and C are the vertices of triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoint of AB and AC respectively, then find the area of triangle ADE. This is also the same problem like previous problem. So here this you can easily solve this problem. So that I'll just give a hint, you try yourself this problem because it is completely same like previous problem. Like what you have to do is, I'll draw the figure here. ABC is a triangle. It is given, it is told ABC is a triangle given, and A point they have given 0, 5, B point they have given 6, 11, C point they have given 10, 7. Okay, and D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC. They have told find the area of ADE. What you have to do, find the area of ADE. This is the very easiest question. How you have to do, first you have to write D is the midpoint of AB. By midpoint formula, D point you have to find. D is the midpoint of AB you have to do, and by using midpoint formula, D point you have to solve. Then E is a midpoint of AC you have to write, and by midpoint formula, E point you have to find out. As you will get D point and E point, then you can easily find the area of triangle ADE. They have asked question, find the area of triangle ADE. So by area of triangle formula, you can easily find the area of triangle ADE formula value. By taking that half into x1 y2 minus y3 formula, you can find ADE formula, value of ADE. So you try this by yourself. Let me explain one more time steps. First, what you have to do, D is a midpoint of AB. By midpoint formula, you have to find the D value. Then similarly, E is a midpoint of AC. By midpoint formula, you have to find the E value. As you will get D and E value, what you have to do is area of triangle ADE you have to find. They have told in the question to find area of triangle ADE only. You can see here they have told to find the triangle area of triangle ADE only. See the next question is question number 24. Let me solve this. A, B and C are the vertices of triangle ABC. AD is the median and G is the point on AD such that AG is to GD is 2:1. Find the coordinate of the point G. Okay, this we will solve now. So G is the point on AD such that AG is to GD is 2:1. What they have told? AG is to GD is 2:1. Okay. So find the coordinate of the point G. We need to find the point of G. Okay. A, B and C they have given. A 5, 8. B what they have given? 0, -1. And C they have given 4, 5. Okay, and AD is a median. Now we need to find D point. We don't know what is D. So let me write D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, D is the midpoint of BC. So B 0, -1 and C 4, 5. So let us find coordinate of D. Coordinate of D is equals to, we know midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So many we have solved such type of problem. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, x1 y1, x2 y2. x1 is 0 plus 4 by 2 comma -1 plus 5 by 2. So coordinate of D is equals to 4 by 2 comma -1 plus 5 is 4 by 2. So D point we got 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, 2 2. So we got D as 2 and 2. Now divides AB. AD is a median. We will write G divides AD in the ratio. G divides AD in the ratio they have told 2:1. Okay, so here ratio is given and G divides AD. A point is 5,8 and D point is 2,2. So M1, M2, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So G divides in the ratio 2:1. Coordinate of G they have told in the question to find coordinate of G. So coordinate of G is equals to, we know section formula, M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2, comma M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now we'll find coordinate of G is equals to, M1 is 2, X2 also 2 plus M2 1, X1 5 upon M1 plus M2, 2 plus 1, comma M1 is 2, Y2 also is 2 plus M2 1, Y1 8 upon M1 plus M2 2 plus 1. So 5 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5, 2 plus 1 3, comma 2 2s are 4 plus 8 1s are 8, 2 plus 1 3. Now we got coordinate of G is equals to 5 plus 4 is 9 by 3, comma 8 plus 4 is 12 by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So they have told us to find the coordinate of G is equals to 3 4. So this complete the question number 24. Now in my next video I am going to continue. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.